Hi Jude. So right now we actually have the setup and we have a 36 by 36 card cage and another one is the 18 by 18 card cage. And we have two sources, one is from this laptop, HDMI, then to this 1x2 splitter, then we have two outputs to the matrix switcher input 2 on the 36 by 36 and also the input 2 on the 18 by 18 by 18. And we have the source 1, which is from the HDMI generator, and then we have HDMI cable, then to the second HDMI 1x2 splitter, and we have two split to the two matrix switchers. And for the capture, right now we actually, for the 36 by 36, we have a line cable, then we goes to this Wi-Fi router, and we have another line cable which is from the 18 by 18, and also using the line port 1. You have two input card and one output card. On the 36 by 36, and we have two inputs. Right now we have 8 outputs, so total we have 9 screens. So as you can see on this, 8 screens on top and one at the corner. So right now we're going to use the iPad to control the whole system. Basically, once we have this iPad and we have it connected to this Wi-Fi router, then we can just type the IP address. But here we need to make sure the IP address of this two matrix switcher is different. Like right now, this one for the 18 by 18, we have the IP address is going to be it's 192.168.0.180. But for the 36 by 36, I will need to use a different IP address. It's 192.168.0.80. But these two matrix switcher are at the same gateway. So right now we're going to use this iPad to control these two matrix switcher, and once we logged in, we can use either if the IP address, use the 36 by 36 or the 18 by 18. Once we logged in, and then we have a manager here. So once we click the manager, then we can find the two matrix switchers here. If we are going to do the switching for the 18 by 18, so just click 18 by 18. Also, we can set up like the 18 by 18 matrix switcher with only 12 inputs and 12 outputs. And also the output name, I've already changed to 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41, 42, until 48, just because we have 36 outputs on the 36 by 36 card cage. So if you want to do the switching for these, and we can just simply, so if you want to switch the laptop to the outputs, we'll just switch into all the outputs, because it's already switching. And the HDMI generator, see, it's for the switching. And we also can just click the 36 by 36. Also, we can do the switching for this one. We are switching to the laptop or switch to the HDMI generator. We also can use the shortcut. So right now it's actually already on the same source to all the outputs, and also we can just have the laptop on the first screen. And the 18 by 18, we also do the same. So this the iPad to control like two matrix switcher, and use the splitter to split the source and two outputs. One is to the 36 by 36, and one to the 18 by 18. And also once we click this one, we can rename it. Like this one is actually, maybe we put it on the second floor or the first floor, we can just rename it. Like we can just name like the second floor. So we just click rename. So we can see it's already 2F and 36. We also can do settings. First floor. So it's already change the names. And also if you wanna just only control this one, and we can just open the window. So this interface will be only showing like the details of the 36 by 36, and also we can do the input and output changes here, and also the setup for the IP address. We also can just click back to the second one. We also can just open the window. Then we can do the switching on this, and also we can change the input and output names for here. Plus we also can just have the because the matrix switcher can support 40 senders, so basically we can do the setup, then we can save to the senders, so later we just only record the senders. This we just use the web GUI to control. We also can use the MCS, the application. It's going to be the same. So we just enter in, and we can log in. Before logging, and those are the 40 presets. Without logging, we can just record the presets. If we log in, then also same, we can just find the manager, and both matrix switcher will be shown here. So this is the application to control the whole system, and the second for matrix switcher. So this is the control software, and I'll just go to manager, and then we can find both matrix switchers, as long as we have the IP address of these two matrix switchers at the same gateway. Okay, thank you so much. I hope this can be helpful.